Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on printing wirelessly at Endeavour. At Endeavour, we use the Papercut platform for all of our printing services. You can access Papercut by Googling Printing at Endeavour and selecting the first option that comes up in the results list. Or you can scroll to the bottom of the library homepage and select Printing in the Library. Or you can navigate through the Getting Started guide by selecting the Printing tab and then clicking on wireless printing available in the library. Once you're put through to the login page, you log in with your student ID and password combination, the same that you use for LMS. This lands you on our summary page. Here you can view your balance and other account details. If you would like to add credit, simply select Add Credit from the left-hand menu and select the amount you would like to top up your account. We recommend no more than $2 or $5 at a time, as all money is non-refundable. Add the value, and you'll be pushed through to PayPal's payment platform. Here you can log into your personal PayPal account and sync it up with Papercut, or you can check out as a guest and use your debit or credit card by clicking this button. Once you have added money to your Papercut account, you can then move forward with printing. Select Web Print and submit a job. Here you are prompted to select a printer. Our printers are defined by location and whether it is black and white or colour. We are in Brisbane, so I will select the Brisbane black and white printer. You can then define how many copies you will need and upload your documents. You can upload from your device or drag and drop the files. Any file is allowed. Only be sure to download the file first before trying to upload it into this platform. Once you have selected your file, you can upload and complete, and you wait for your job to be submitted, rendered, and held in queue. You can then choose to either release your job directly from the printer or directly from your device. If you would like to release your job from the device, you can click Held in Queue, select the one that you would like to print, and click Print or Release All for all of your jobs. If you would like to release your print job from the printer, you can use your student card on the printer's interface and then log in for the first time using your student number and password combination that you have just used to log in to the Papercut platform. You'll only need to do this once, and there on out, you can just tap your student card and select Release Jobs or Print Jobs. And that is all. Happy printing.